require internal ignition?
No. It's done because we have a multi-motor and a rechargeable battery pack.
Which are the 5 types of electric cars?
The 5 types of electric cars are the battery electric vehicles, the all-electric vehicles, hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and fuel cell electric vehicles.
Which of them has the most performance?
There are no specific car because all have many benefits.
All right, why do people choose to buy electric cars?
People change electric cars because they are good for the environment and good for people.
Okay, what do they have better performance than other vehicles?
They have better performance because they are lighter and have faster acceleration.
Do they need a lot of maintenance? Do they need a lot of maintenance to care for them, to keep them, to clean them, to take care of them?
Yes, and it is expensive.
And that's expensive. And if people don't have money, what do they do with electric car?